Right now, I will show you two different ways to add a blank profile photo on Facebook. Go ahead and open Facebook and log into your account. Now go to your Facebook profile. In first way to have a blank profile photo, we have to remove our all profile pictures from our Facebook account. So tap on your profile photo and tap on see profile picture, and here tap on this three dot and tap on delete photo. Tap on delete, and that's how you have to delete all your Facebook photos one by one. Once you successfully deleted all of your profile photos, then here you will see you have a blank profile photo now. As you can see, no profile photo is in my profile. And in second way, if you don't want to delete all of your profile photos and you also want a blank profile photo, in this case, all you have to need on your mobile, go ahead and open a browser and search for blank FB profile picture. Go to image section, and here all you have to need, download a blank profile photo just like so. I'm downloading this profile photo, for example. So download a blank profile picture from Google. Now go back to your Facebook, go back to your profile, tap on the profile, tap on upload profile picture or select profile picture, and now select the downloaded blank profile photo, tap on save, and your Facebook profile photo will be a blank photo just like so. Thanks for watching.